Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I know I probably look a little ashy on camera. I just put on a mineral sunscreen, so it has like a little white cast, but I probably put on like a tinted moisturizer before I leave the house. But anyways, as you see by the title, this week I'll be going to Miami. My school switched to the MEC, so we're having this big game in Miami called the Orange Blossom against Jackson State. And also it's Labor Day weekend. It's supposed to be like a little lit weekend. A lot of people are going, but the thing is, as you know, it's been like a lot of hurricanes and tropical storms, so that might cancel our plans. We're for good weather while we're down there, so we don't have to completely cancel our plans. One of the parties that we were supposed to go to has already gotten canceled due to, you know, the weather. But yeah, in this vlog I'm just going to be prepping for the trip, so you probably see me packing, getting my hair done, I'm getting my lashes done, my toes done, wax, all of that. Basically like just prepping before I get there, and then I'll probably do another whole separate vlog for when I'm actually there and what I do, where I go, stuff like that. So today I have a class at 3:30, so I think I'm gonna go drop my wig off and then probably get my eyebrows done before my class, and then after my class I'll probably go get my toes done. I'll see you guys once I'm in the car about to drop my wig off. All right y'all, so I made it here to drop off my wig, but before I do, I just want to show y'all how good this wig is. Like, hold on. Y'all, so this is my wig. This is from Valley Nicole. I'm gonna add her Instagram on the screen. But y'all, she makes custom wigs. This is not a promo. I just want to show y'all, like, this hair is so soft, and then she made the hairline perfect. I'm not really sure if y'all can see for real, but yeah, I know my hairstylist is not gonna have to do much with this wig. And it is so, I just want to tell y'all, this is the softest wig I have ever got. I ordered 3 wigs from her, and yeah, that is the best decision I ever made. I will definitely be getting my wigs from her from now on. But yeah, let me go take this inside before I miss my appointment later. So y'all know how I said that after I drop my wig out, I'm going straight to my eyebrow appointment. So my wax place in my house on the same street, and I guess out of habit I drove back to my apartment, like pulled in the park in front of my building and everything. But like I said, it's down the street, so I think I still have a little bit of time to make it. Hopefully I don't miss my appointment. But yeah, I can't believe I just did that stupid shit.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Split without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how.
Guys, so yeah, I lied yesterday. I did not go get my toes done. I ended up having like a whole bunch of errands to run, so I ended up running out of time to go get them done. But I'm gonna probably go today after I get my hair done, because my hair appointment is at 12 and my next class is until 6 online, so I can go in between it to go get my toes done. But yeah, I have about like an hour and a half to blow dry my hair and get ready to be at my appointment, so I'm probably just gonna speed this part through. And yeah,
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
So I actually ended up finishing blow drying my hair pretty early, so I'm probably just gonna chill until it's actually time for me to go. It's 10:41 and the place is about 7 minutes away, so I have a pretty decent amount of time. I'm probably gonna eat or something until it's time for my hair appointment. So yeah, my hair is done. Getting to this wig, like, shout out to my hairstylist Truly Lace. If you're in Tallahasse, get at her. Yeah, y'all, this hair is so nice and soft. I love it. I'm very much Miami ready now. Yeah, now I'm gonna head to the nail salon to get my toes done. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
Just in my phone. I should call up and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much. I'ma call her anyway and say fuck.
I went home for a little bit and I just been like trying to pick out like my outfits or whatever for the trip. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfits that I picked out so far. I still have like a few little extra outfits that I need to figure out, just like in case I want to change. I'm gonna show you guys those and I'm gonna start packing. Oh, and y'all, please excuse my room. When I pack, I swear I have stuff everywhere. And y'all, I cut my finger the other day while cooking, so yeah, just ignore that. But I have this white bra top with this orange and green flannel because, you know, our colors are orange and green. Just these distressed denim shorts, and I'm probably gonna wear it with my orange and white dunks. My second outfit is just this blouse from Pretty Little Thing with these cream boxer shorts. And next is just like a casual outfit. It's just this chrome heart shirt with these dark, I don't want to say, they're not gray or black, they like a, I don't really know what color they are, but with these shorts. And then lastly, I have this green dress. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm only going for the weekend, so it's not gonna be a lot of outfits. I might end up wearing like 2 maybe a day. The thing I have are these swimsuits. I have this 3-piece from MAC collection. It's the Sweetie collection. I have this swim blouse with the matching thong swim bottoms. Those are from these are from Icon. Wait, no, these are from VVS Swim. This 2-piece, and then I have this 2-piece from Icon Swim, but I'm gonna be mixing and matching this, so it's gonna be one outfit. Then of course I have my airport outfits. I have this 2-piece from, where is this from? Pretty Little Thing. Then I have this body compression shirt from Express. Then I have these leggings to go with them. They're a similar material and they're from Pretty Little Thing. Oh, and if you're an overpacker like me, I highly suggest you get packing cubes. When I tell you that cuts down your space in like half, I'm not even over exaggerating. Like when I have to pack to go home for the summer, I take about half of my closet and I'm able to get it all in maybe like 2 bags just by using the packing cubes. So yeah, when you hear about those, believe the hype because they really do help you minimize your stuff.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die that they die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a
Don't tell my friends that I'm you're my baby even when you leave me.
just started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find it.
Good morning, y'all. So today I'm driving back to Atlanta. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the vlog, but basically I'm driving home and then I'm flying from Atlanta to Miami. If you flew in or out of Tallahasse, then you know that their flight prices are like extremely high for some reason. I don't know why. So before I get on the road, I do have a wax appointment. I know y'all saw me get my eyebrows done the other day, but you know I said I had class, so I couldn't get everything that I needed waxed. So today I have a Brazilian and a underarm wax. I never got waxed before I had to take a long drive, so hopefully it's not uncomfortable, but I need to get that done before I left. So I'm so tired. I don't know why, because I always wake up early, but it's like every time I need to wake up early, then I'm sleepy. But every time I don't need to wake up early, that's when I'm full of energy, up at 8 a.m, all of that. But yeah, I have a few more minutes until my appointment, so I'm probably just gonna chill until it's time for me to go, because I have a long day. To my lash appointment. I'm low-key kind of late. Hopefully she got somebody running behind so I can walk in on time, because I'm not gonna be too late. I'm probably not gonna record when I get in there, only because she moves really fast. Like, she gets my lashes done top and bottom, mega volume, in an hour, literally. I don't know how she do it so fast, but she be getting it done. But yeah, and it just be a lot going on, and a lot of music, and but yeah, it just be a lot going on in there, so I'm probably not gonna record, but of course I'm gonna show y'all what the outcome is looking like. I just got done with my lashes. They came out really cute as usual, but I still want to know how she does my lashes in an hour. Literally nobody I've ever went to have done my lashes that quick. Even if I got like a hybrid set, still nobody has ever been able to get my lashes done this quick. And she do a mega volume and bottom lashes, and she don't use pre-made fans. But yeah, right now I'm at Target. I'm finna get like my toiletries and stuff, just because my toiletries are really heavy, and I already know my suitcase probably gonna end up being over 50 pounds. So I'm just about to go buy some like travel size stuff just to put in my bag, because I'm not trying to pay an extra $100 for a bag. But yeah, this is probably where I'm gonna end my video. Tomorrow my flight is at, I want to say 2, so I'll be at the airport at 12 o'clock. So yeah, after this I'm probably just gonna complete my work that I have to do this weekend, so I don't have to worry about anything once I get down to Miami. But yeah, you already know, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to see more videos from me. See you guys in the next vlog.